Hi, I'm Zach. On this channel, we bring you the best tools to get the job done as a professional tradesman. Today we're going to talk about thread locker, also known by the name brand of Loctite. So say you're working on a piece of equipment that there are a couple nuts and bolts that just seem to always rattle loose. Or maybe you're putting something together and you just want to make absolutely sure that it doesn't come loose. Loctite is the way to go. It's really pretty simple. It comes in a couple different forms. My favorite kind is the liquid form. They also make a small tube that twists up and is a gel, and it looks kind of like the old glue sticks that you used to use in grade school. But I find the liquid to be a little just simpler all the way around. You can get it in liquid form in packages as small as this. This one's a 0.2 fluid ounce, not very much. And I think you can get it clear up to maybe a pint, even as much as a quart. I think a pint might be the biggest, and a big dispenser bottle. I like to keep these small packages around because they're handy to throw in my tool bags and keep one in every area. I usually don't plan on needing this. It kind of comes up when there's a kind of an emergency need, when something is rattled apart and to put it back together and make sure it stays. So the way it works is you take your nut off and take the cap off of your Loctite, and you just put a little dab on there. Make sure it goes all the way around and is coated on all sides of the threads. Let me get rid of that. And then you just put your nut on and tighten it down. You want to make sure that you've got plenty of Loctite on the threads where the nut is actually going to come to rest. It's as simple as that. So let's set that to the side for a minute. A couple different brands. Loctite, I said, is the name brand. Permatex also makes a thread locker. There are pretty much any name brand that makes different automotive chemicals will make a thread locker. There are several different grades of thread locker. The two most common are the blue and the red. Blue is medium strength removable. Red is permanent. So you want to make sure and read the label. This is a red bottle, but it says blue on it, 242 blue. So this is the medium strength removable, and it comes out of the bottle in the blue color. That's another way to tell. So a note on that: if medium is good, then permanent is better, right? Well, hold your horses. It's not always the case. If you put some red Loctite on a nut or a bolt that you want to remove later, it might be possible to break it free, but it's going to be really tight. The stuff will almost weld a nut onto a bolt. So use that with caution. Sometimes it can be just the tool for the job, but sometimes the blue will be more than enough. Hopefully that's helpful. Comment below and let me know what your favorite tools are for getting the job done as a professional tradesman. We'll see you next time.